If you're using Linux Mint 22.3, especially the Cinnamon edition, you probably expect to stick with the default apps that come with it. And honestly, they're good. They're stable, clean, and get the job done. But here's something interesting. Some KDE applications are so well designed, so polished, that they actually feel completely natural on Linux Mint, even though they were originally built for a different desktop environment. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 KDE apps that not only work on Linux Mint, but genuinely improve your daily workflow. These are practical tools. No gimmicks, no unnecessary extras, just solid applications that you can actually use every day. Let's get into it. We'll start with KDE Connect. This is one of those apps that changes how you use your computer the moment you set it up. It connects your phone to your Linux Mint system in a way that feels effortless. Once paired, your phone and your desktop start working together. You can send files back and forth wirelessly. Notifications from your phone appear directly on your desktop. You can control music playback without touching your system. And if you want, you can even use your phone as a touchpad or keyboard. What stands out here is how smooth everything feels. There's no lag, no complicated setup after the initial pairing. It just works in the background. If you use your phone alongside your computer all the time, this app quickly becomes something you rely on without even thinking about it. Now let's move to Ocular. At first glance, it might seem like just another PDF viewer, but once you actually start using it, you realize it's much more than that. Ocular supports multiple file formats, not just PDFs. You can open ebooks, images, and different document types all in one place. But the real strength of Ocular is in the reading experience. Scrolling is smooth, navigation is clean, and the annotation tools are genuinely useful. You can highlight text, add comments, mark sections, and come back to them later without losing your flow. If you read documentation, study materials, or even just long PDFs, Ocular makes the experience feel organized and distraction-free. And importantly, it runs perfectly fine on Linux Mint without feeling heavy. Next, let's talk about Dolphin. Linux Mint already comes with a solid file manager, but Dolphin offers a different level of control, especially if you deal with files frequently. One of the first things you notice is how flexible it is. You can split the window into 2 panels and move files between them easily. You can open multiple tabs, just like a browser. And there's even a built-in terminal that lets you run commands directly inside the file manager. Search is fast, previews are helpful, and everything feels designed around productivity. It does bring in a few KDE dependencies, but once installed, the experience is smooth and stable, and if you spend a lot of time managing files, organizing projects, or moving data around, Dolphin can actually save you time. Now let's move into something more creative, Caden Live. If you've ever wanted to edit videos on Linux Mint, Caden Live is one of the best options available. It gives you a full editing environment. You can work with multiple tracks, add transitions, apply effects, and fine-tune your edits with precision. What I like about Caden Live is the balance it maintains. It's powerful, but it doesn't feel overwhelming. You can start simple, cut clips, arrange them on the timeline, and export your video. And as you get more comfortable, you can explore more advanced features. Performance is solid, especially for standard editing tasks like YouTube content, tutorials, or screen recordings. And since it's actively developed, you can expect regular improvements and better stability over time. Finally, let's talk about Krita. Krita is a professional-grade digital painting and illustration tool, but it's not limited to artists. Even if you've never drawn anything before, opening Krita feels inspiring. The interface is clean, the canvas is responsive, and the brush system is incredibly detailed. If you create thumbnails, design graphics, or just want to experiment with digital art, Krita gives you a powerful set of tools without making things complicated. It supports drawing tablets, advanced layering, and customizable brushes, but at the same time, it stays smooth and responsive on Linux Mint. It's one of those applications that feels premium, even though it's completely free. So when you step back and look at all 5 of these apps, something becomes clear. KDE applications are not limited to KDE Plasma. They can run beautifully on Linux Mint, and in many cases, they actually enhance your overall experience. You don't need to switch your entire desktop environment just to enjoy these tools. You can simply install them, use them, and keep your system exactly the way you like it. If you're looking to expand what your Linux Mint setup can do, these apps are a great place to start. Try one or two, see how they fit into your workflow, and chances are they'll stick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.